Hello, welcome and thank you for choosing this course. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure your opt-in web form in GetResponse. First of all, you will need to know how to create a web form in GetResponse because you need the form to capture the leads in your squeeze page. So, how to create a sign-up form can be said to be one of the most important parts that you can't miss out on. When you are in your GetResponse user panel, you will see the Web Forms button here in this page. Click on the Create New button. Once the page is loaded, you can start to design your sign-up form. Choose one of the templates provided and customize it according to the theme of your landing page. Usually, I will choose the template for newsletter sign-up. I am going to use this one as my example. Click on the template you want and wait for it to load. You can customize it or use it as it is. However, usually I will choose to customize it and make it as simple as possible. First, click on the Sign Up for our newsletter and delete the title. And then select the background and remove the image. Look at the right part of the page. Click on to Style and hover over to the background and remove the image. Once you've removed the image, adjust the size of the box. Click on the field for email address, hover over to the right part and click on Layout. You can customize the placeholder in the box. In this case, I'm going to leave it empty. Apply this to first name as well. Moving on, click on the Sign Up button. Usually what I'll do to the button is to change the color to orange. And once you're done with this, click on Save and Publish. And now we've come to the final step, to decide who will publish the web form to your website. As you can see that there are three options here. I will install my web form, my web designer will install my web form, and GetResponse will host my web form. If you choose to install the form by yourself, just click on the Copy button to copy the JavaScript code and paste it to your squeeze page. If you need to pass the code to your web designer, click on it and then fill in the email address of your web designer and the message you want to leave for your designer. And last, if you wish to have GetResponse host your page, click on the option and you will see a link. This is where GetResponse will host your form. Once you've done with the web form, go back to the dashboard and then click on the small gear beside the campaign box. You will then come to this page. Click on the Permission tab. Look at the first option, Enable Confirmed Opt-in. This makes your opt-in a double opt-in if you enable this. This is not what we want. We want them to opt in straight away. So disable all three of them. This way, when they sign up for your newsletter, the first welcome email will be sent instead of a confirmation email. In the case of if you want to enable the confirmed opt-in, you can then customize your confirmation message by clicking on the Customize Confirmation Message button. You can edit the message here. Once you're done with it, click on the Save button. And that's all there is to it. Thank you.